PBF is a gathering of creatives, storytellers, writers, illustrators, publishers, and book lovers.
I think the idea of irreplaceability is very important. It's about people having stories that are very unique, very useful for all of us as human beings.
Napaka-importante ng ganitong uri ng libro, ma-realize niya na kahit gaano siya kaliit, siya ay kabilang, siya ay may bilang, at siya ay bahagi ng isang community.
So today, as we celebrate literature and creativity, let us remember, so when we tell our stories with pride, whether through books or through tourism, we invite the world to truly love the Philippines more.
Ang feeling ko naman, hindi ako writer from the past. Ang feeling ko is parang magkakasama lang kami lahat na nagsusulat ngayon. Magkakasama lang kami lahat ngayon na malilikot ang imagination. It's nice to feel na part ka pa rin ng generation ngayon. Mas inclusive, yung panahon ngayon, lahat sila pantay-pantay sa karapatan na magkwento ka ng magandang kwento. Then may espasyo for you. Yeah.
That we are inviting each and every one of you to be part of the story of PBF 2026.